Hey, San Diego homeowners. What's going on in our real estate market? I'm Andrea Hamacher, Coldwell Banker West, and here's your local market update as of February 1st, 2023. The median sales price for all property types, that's single-family homes, condos, and manufactured homes, has crept up a bit to $760,000 from $750,000 over the past month. For just single-family homes, the median price did slip a bit to $847,000 from $859,000 the previous month. Year over year, the median price for all property types is down just 0.7%, just a hair from this time last year, and single-family homes are down 3.7% from this time last year. So the important thing to note is, last year at this time, we began our rapid climb to the peak prices of April and May. So looking at that peak, price-wise, we are down 11.5% across all property types and 14.7% for just single-family homes. Now, do we expect the downward trend in prices to continue? Well, I hear different expert opinions on this, but the majority of them say no. Interest rates are slowly dropping. As of this past Monday, February 6th, the 30-year fixed was around 6%, and there still aren't enough homes on the market. What we call inventory levels are still way down. New listings are down 31% across the board countywide since this time last year. Closed sales are down 39% since this time last year. So still not enough active listings, and sales are way down year over year. Days on the market, that's the time from when a property hits the market until it goes into contract, is up 200% for single-family homes and 187% for all property types. That's almost triple. So we went from 8 days to 24 days, and that's a big increase. Now, in the past few weeks, those of us actively in the real estate market have noticed that more buyers are out shopping. Homes that were sitting and not getting any offers are suddenly getting offers, and open houses and showings are much busier. Pending sales, those houses in contract, have jumped over 20% in the last month. So that's great news. So the market is starting to pick up a little bit from about 2 months of just deadness. One interesting statistic that I like to mention lately is percentage of original list price. And what I mean is, where are homes closing in relation to their original list price? In April of 2022, it was over 106%, and now it's around 97%. So closing prices are now getting close to the list prices. We're not seeing the big premiums of last spring, but we're also not seeing big discounts. Most sellers are now getting in line with the market as it exists now versus how it was, a year ago. We are in a very different market than we were last February, and there are many variables that will affect what will happen in 2023. So stay tuned for more market updates as they happen. Please reach out to me with any questions or comments. I'm always happy to help.